very importantly, we need the Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Cathedral in Maxfield Avenue to be completed. This is His Eminence baby, His Eminence Abuna Isaac. This is his baby. This is what he always mostly interested in. Because where the church is now, that was His Eminence Abuna Isaac built that place for the school, for a school. But we had a big hurricane, Gilbert, and where we always worship, that place was blown down. I think it's in 88, was blown down. So they had to go into the school to worship. But His Eminence Abuna Isaac always tell, the administrator at the time was Father Malikat. He always tell him, you must worship in the cathedral now and then. Although it's not finished, but it just to give him the feel, you must worship in the cathedral now and then. Because this was his baby. Now, one Saturday, because I always open the car door for His Eminence Abuna Isaac whenever he come to the church on a Saturday. And one Saturday, being the archdeacon, one Saturday when I opened the door for him, he just turned looking at the cathedral and he said to me, Archdeacon, the place where you prepare for the communion are going to need that place because the children, they are expanding. Right? So I said to him, so His Eminence, where are you going to put us to prepare? So he looked up at the cathedral and he didn't answer. A week after, Kes Gabre, the administrator, came to me and said to me, I'm going to give you the responsibility to finish a Bethlehem up at the cathedral, that the deacons can use it to prepare for the communion. And I tell you, it was in short time. The faithful, they assisted me, no money from myself. They give me money to buy tile, cement, paint, everything. So if you go to Maxfield Avenue now, although you will see those iron rusting, but if you go up there, there's a nice finished tile place inside there that we use for the Bethlehem.